Wanna know how to fix stuck in loading screen in your PUBG Mobile game? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your PUBG Mobile app. So first up, there are various things you can do. So first up is simply clearing out your cache. Now, for that, what you can do is just simply hold up your PUBG Mobile icon and then head towards app settings right here. Now, this is exclusively only for Androids. So for iPhones, uninstalling and reinstalling is the best way to clear out your cache. Now once you're there, on the bottom right here you can see clear data. Just simply select clear data and then select clear cache once there. And once you've selected clear cache, just simply select OK. And now your cache should be cleared. Next thing is just simply turning off or on your Wi-Fi or changing your data connection. Sometimes your data connection might be the issue as well, so make sure to check it once. And if still nothing works, just simply uninstall and reinstall your PUBG Mobile. So for that, just simply hold up your PUBG Mobile application, select this trash can icon and then select uninstall right here. So that's it. After that is done, your loading screen should fix. So if not, you can also use VPN due to some geological or location issues as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.